My name is Matt Buzerkos, and I am presenting Emphasis in White Space of two clothing retailers and their presentation of their websites. I've decided to look at both Express and Old Navy. One thing I noticed about the Express website was how they mainly stayed towards the demographic of early 20s, even late teens through late 30s. As you can see, the man and woman right here, they look about mid-20s, and they are dressed up very nicely. There's more of an elegance to Express from that one screenshot, and that seems like to be their desired audience. The main goal of the site is obviously to sell clothing, and according to the screenshot, it looks like there's a holiday collection they're trying to sell, special deals, as well as special deals for consumers. The personality, it's youthful, but it's very sophisticated, with the bold colors, the grays and the whites and the black. On the other hand, we have Old Navy over here, and there's men, there's women, there's young children. So they're appealing to more everyone in the family. The main goal of the site is obviously to sell clothing as well. They too have a special deal of 25% off, and their personality is youthful as well as just more is mature as well. So basically, anyone in the family could go to Old Navy and find something. Um, Over here, we can see at the top of the Express page that they're emphasizing deals, and most of the links are at the top. Meanwhile, over on Old Navy, there are a lot of links on the left side of the page to take you to different places, as well as the top. So there seems to be a little bit less white space over by Old Navy as opposed to Express. As we can see, the hierarchy of information, Express plays with a little bit more information, while they both have a lot of space on both the left and the right side, as you can see. Express just uses bigger text, bigger pictures, and kind of lets it all talk for itself. Meanwhile, Old Navy uses a lot more text. It's smaller, and they try and really utilize their space, while Express like lets itself breathe a little bit. I looked at type, color, and balance of both Express and Old Navy, and again, they use the bold, darker colors, the blacks, the grays, the whites, the cream colored, um, and the font is bolded and italicized, but it kind of stays true to the brand. Meanwhile, Old Navy is more colorful. As you can see, the purple here matches the purple there, the teal here and the blue there matches the blues over here, and there's the orange used throughout. So it's consistent, but it's a lot more colorful than Express, and there's a lot more going on uh, in that screenshot. The communication of these two brands shows that Express is more of a specific crowd of late teens to late 30s, and all the models reflect that. Meanwhile, Old Navy has young children and older women too, which allows for a larger demographic of people to shop there. And that the bold colors in Express fits that demographic as well as the bright colors there. Throughout looking at both Express and Old Navy, I found to like the I like the simplicity of the Express webpage, because there was just, it's simple, some pictures here, pictures there, and there's also enough space to let you see what kind of deals you're getting. Meanwhile, there just seems to be a lot of going on here with the text here, text there, um, and prices. It gets a little overwhelming with all the different links too, whereas you're just getting you get what you see when you look at the Express page.